Hey guys, today we are here to discuss about how to water your succulents. Succulents are desert plants. That's how they are adaptive to less water and hot weather. To make them grow properly, to make them look happy, we need to provide the similar conditions at home as well. Although succulents are very easy to maintain, but their death rate is really high. The reason is not watering them properly. So in today's video, we will discuss how to water them properly so that they won't die. Keep in mind while watering succulents is, whenever you water them thoroughly. The frequency could be less, but whenever you water them, you need to make sure that the water is pouring out of the pot. So just like this, you need to fill the complete pot and you would be able to see that the water is coming down from the pot or not. You need to keep watering until the water comes down. The same thing we will be doing with the other plant as well. So for this one, you can see that the water has started pouring out. That means this succulent has been watered properly. You need to follow the same cycle once again and just check that the water is coming out, and that's how you would know that the succulent has been watered properly. The watering needs is basically dependent on two factors. One factor is the weather conditions and the second factor is how big your pot is. So what you need to make sure is, if the weather is a bit hot, then the frequency of the watering would be a bit higher. If the weather is a bit cold, then the frequency would be lower. You need to make sure before watering that the plant's soil is no longer moist, and then only you would decide whether to water it or not. So as you can see, this plant was completely dried out. That's why we have to water it heavily to get the water beneath. So as the water has started pouring out, we have watered it properly. To check whether the soil is wet or not, we can simply check like this. By putting our finger inside, we can see that the soil is a bit moist for this succulent. So this is not the right time to water this succulent. In summers, we normally water our succulents at least once in 4 to 5 days because the soil basically loses its moisture very early. In the time of winters, we normally water them once in at least 15 days so that they won't die. While your succulents are still in propagation mode, it is advised that you mist them. You don't need to water them using a bottle or watering can. What you need to do is, you just need to mist them properly in every 2 days so that their leaves gets enough water to grow. Thing to keep in mind is, when your succulents are fully grown, that means they are not in the propagation mode, then you should not water them using a sprayer. You should not water them on the leaves. The reason is, if you water them on the leaves, they can catch some mealybugs, they can catch fungus. So it is advisable that you just water the soil and not the succulent's leaves. Putting your smaller pots into a plate filled with water. What will happen is, this water will be absorbed by the soil inside and your succulents will be thoroughly watered. In that case, you will not need to water your succulents again for another week. You would know your plant has been overwatered when the leaves becomes translucent like this. Another way of looking at it is like, the leaves will not have enough power, they are not sustaining, the leaves becomes soggy. That also means that you have overwatered your plant. In terms of underwatering is, the leaves will start to dry out. So guys, that's all in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment box and we'll discuss them. Till then, happy gardening.